Troubleshoot the electrical system in a GMC Sierra. The GMC Sierra is a full-size, luxury pickup truck produced by General Motors. It was introduced as early as 1987. The later versions of the GMC Sierra came in two variants, the 1500 and the 2500, wherein the 2500 is the sturdier and more durable one. As with most vehicles from General Motors, the electrical system of the GMC Sierra is reliable and requires low maintenance. But if you do encounter some problem with the electrical system of your GMC Sierra, do not rush it to a mechanic just yet. It may be possible for you to troubleshoot the problem yourself first. To know how you can troubleshoot the electric system in a GMC Sierra, read the instructions below. Know your GMC Sierra model. Unlike other vehicles, the GMC Sierra has several upgrades as it releases new models. Hence, the electrical system may vary. Know what model you have and call General Motors to consult your problem. A few years ago, General Motors recalled more than 500,000 vehicles from the 2007 and 2008 series due to faulty electrical system. They have identified a quick fix for the problem, but it would be best to have their service center do the change instead of doing that part yourself. Recall any alterations in the original electrical system. Did you install a new hardware to your vehicle that required you to alter the original electrical system? This can be the case if, for instance, you installed a new theft alarm system. An indication that this change has caused faulty electrics is if your car lights keep on turning on even if you already switched them off. If you leave your car and lights keep turning on, it may drain your car battery, and in time, this will result to more damage. Upon installation of a new component, test everything, not just the new addition. Check the lights, wipers, stereo, alarm system, and even the signal lights. Check the fuse. If the power in your vehicle just suddenly fails, it is possible that you have a blown fuse. Get a fuse replacement from any car parts store. Unscrew the fuse panel and replace the blown fuse with the new one. Inspect the lights and wiper. If your light or wipers do not turn off, check if there is a problem with the switch. It may be due to a disconnected switch, hence, the lights and wipers fail to function. Another possibility is a faulty light bulb and wiper motor. In this case, have them replaced. If you are purchasing or have already purchased a second-hand GMC Sierra, have a mechanic look thoroughly at it first before you take it for a long drive. Old parts may need replacement by now, and it would be dangerous to travel without having them replaced. If budget permits, have an upgrade of the electrical system of your GMC Sierra to avoid problems in the future. Also, schedule a regular checkup of your vehicle to identify any problem early on, especially if you are using an older model.